Heart and Blood Pressure Tutorial
by Julia
and Ella.
This is the pulmonary veins on both sides of the heart, the pulmonary artery on both sides of the heart as well, the superior vena cava, the inferior vena cava, and lastly, the aorta. In the heart, there are 4 chambers: the right atrium, the left atrium, the right ventricle, and the left ventricle. Now we have the valves: the tricuspid valve, the pulmonary valve, the aortic valve, and the bicuspid valve. Which side do you think carries deoxygenated blood? Well, the right side carries deoxygenated blood, while the left carries oxygenated blood.
The average blood pressure is 120/80. For blood pressure, the 120 is systolic and the 80 is diastolic. Diastolic is also known as the denominator. To find systolic, you have to start taking your blood pressure, and when you see the first bump, it's systolic, while the last bump is diastolic.
This is the anterior view of the heart, or the front, and this is the posterior, or the back view of the heart. The blue yarn shows the pathway of deoxygenated blood, which goes through the vena cavas and pulmonary artery. Red yarn shows the pathway of oxygenated blood, which goes through the pulmonary vein and the aorta. Atrial septal defect, or ASD, is a hole in the wall that separates the heart's upper chambers. When the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood mix in together, it leads to unnecessary blood volume flowing to the lungs. What do you think happens when the lungs have too much blood?
Thanks for watching!